Good morning, happy Monday. My name is Anna Baum, and I am going to be leading you guys through some rhythm exercises for the next few minutes. I'm so happy to be with you guys, even though we are virtual. If you guys could, I would love it if you could stand up and spread out a little bit so that you have enough room just to clap comfortably without bumping into your neighbor. I'll give you a second to do that. And then I want you guys to arrange yourselves into 3 groups. So group 1, group 2, and group 3. And I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Doesn't have to be super exact. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some clapping on 3 different rhythmic breakdowns. So we have our quarter note, we have our eighth note, and then we have the triplet. So the quarter note and the eighth note are pretty easy to merge. They will marry up pretty well. And the triplet is a little bit harder to add into the mix. And we're going to practice clapping together. We're going to practice overlapping those rhythms, and it's going to be awesome. So just to start off with, let's have everybody clapping a quarter note beat. I'm going to count the beat and we'll clap the rhythm. So it'll be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just to be clear, I can count and you guys clap. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's pretty simple, right? We all know how to clap on the beat. Great. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add in the eighth note. And this, for right now, let's have everybody clapping on the eighth note. So I'll continue to count the quarter note beat and we will all clap the eighth note rhythm. So it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's have everybody try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Now what I want to do is have group 1 over here clap your quarter note evenly. Start that up. Awesome. And then slowly, in a second, we're going to add in the eighth note. So it'll be like this. Great. So we have group 1 doing a quarter note and group 2 doing your eighth note. Now we're going to move on to the next one. So group 3, you guys are going to be doing your triplet. This is what a triplet sounds like. There are 3 triplet claps within one quarter note. It'll sound like this. Triplet, 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 triplet. And you can put a little bit of that emphasis on the first triplet in the triplet group. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll help keep you grounded in where you are in the measure. So can I have just my group 3 do the triplet with me like this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's do it again just to be super solid. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, great. So now what I want you guys to do is I want to have group 1 start on your quarter note, and I'll count you in. And then we'll have group 2 start a few beats later on your eighth note. And then finally, I'll have group 3 start on your triplet while the eighth note and the quarter note continue. So we'll have all 3 rhythms going at once. This can be a little bit confusing when you have an eighth note beside you, but you're supposed to be doing a triplet. So really focus on that downbeat to keep you really solid in where you are in the measure. Okay, I'm going to count to 4, and on the second measure, we'll have our quarter note come in, and then we'll have our eighth note, and then we'll have our quarter note. Excuse me, our triplet, finally, with group 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple it, 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 and off. Awesome. I hope that worked. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a good rest of class.